Jan, software-defined automation. What do you mean by that?
So software-defined automation for us means that you have a shift in a device-centric view up towards more a software or function-oriented view.
Right.
And those software functions are then running wherever it makes the most sense. Could be PLC, IPC, edge on the cloud, all centrally managed.
Yeah.
And they are all engineered and built by means of software engineering styles and tools and methodologies. And the benefit to this is that you get a much greater flexibility when it comes to turnover times, change in lines. You have a more consistent update policy around the globe, rolling out updates, security patches, all this stuff, and you have a seamless integration of AI.
Now, you mentioned cloud, AI. What are the technologies under the covers that enable all of this?
First of all, it's a progress of virtualization and containerization technologies that allow for industrial edge systems to run in milliseconds and the applications. Of course, also the rise of mechanisms, tools when it comes to engineering, like continuous integration, DevOps style workflows and the like. And that is only the technology side, just to name a few. What's also driving SDA, it's not only the technology, it's more the pressure on the market to adapt these new technologies, right? Because the companies, a lot of companies need greater flexibility, shorter time to market, more adaptability. And this is driving the adaptation of these technologies and ultimately software-defined automation.
So it's not technology for technology's sake.
No, exactly.
These are the business reasons.
Absolutely.
These are the technologies that enable it.
Absolutely.
Now, I've been around a while. We've been talking about IT, OT convergence. How does SDA play into that convergence?
Right. So first of all, if you treat now your OT functionalities like IT functions, and you manage them in an IT fashion, meaning the engineering part or the runtime, the operations part, then you are already converging IT OT because you use IT technology, you use IT, maybe the servers where you run the functions on. So you automatically with the technology have a convergence. And on the other hand, that's also the cultural aspects, because if the OT folks now, if they now do software-defined automation, they speak kind of the same language like the IT folks. And this also helps to tear down those barriers between the different departments inside a company, right?
They're speaking the same language. There's a common look and feel. I heard Reiner talking about IT-like engineering, IT-like management tools.
Exactly.
To make it a bit more concrete for people, is there any examples you can give of this in action today?
Yeah, absolutely. There's tons of examples. Maybe give you one from the engineering space. We have this company as a machine builder, specialized machine builder, and they in the discrete space, and they claim that they have 30 to up to 70% efficiency gains when it comes to development times, because they use object-oriented programming, they modularize their programs and the functions, and they collaborate across sites using Git mechanisms. So Git in OT space is still pretty newish, and you have all the nice stuff we love about it. You can branch, merge, you can create workflows, continuous integration workflows where automated testing is done. So I can be sure if I change something that I didn't break something that
somebody
you've implemented. Yeah, exactly. All this kind. And this tremendously helps to bring down engineering time reduced.
And that's using, let's say, the IT tools that people like me grew up with.
Yeah.
It's day 3 here at SBS 2025. It's been a hectic week.
Absolutely.
Any takeaways from yourself?
Yeah, my main takeaway would be that I love to see that software-defined automation, including industrial AI, that this moves now ahead from being just demos to adaptation in the field. Yeah, and I think that we are on the right track. Glad to see with industrial edge, thematic AX, all the nice stuff, virtual PLC, that this is getting momentum in the field, being adopted. Great to see that. And maybe last statement from my side would be that it's really important. SDA is not about replacing the proven values of OT. It's more about extending them by the flexibility and speed of software. That's what SDA is about.
Good stuff. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Kevin.